How to change language on iPhone without affecting keywords. So you can change the iPhone system language, menu, notifications, app labels without changing the keyboard language. Apple lets you manage them separately. So here is what you can do. First of all, open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. And once inside the settings app, scroll and tap on the general button available in there. Now, once you tap on the general, all you have to do is scroll and tap on the language and reason option available there. And once inside language and reason, tap on the add new language or add a language option available. Now scroll down and choose your new language. This changes the interface language but won't automatically affect your keyboard. That way you can have your iPhone menu in one language and keep typing in another. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.